Hello viewers. If you're trying to create a Gmail account and, after completing all the steps, you get stuck at the verify your phone number stage, you're not alone. When you click on the verify option, there's no way to proceed, and it keeps showing the message, this may take a few moments, but it never completes. Even if you click try again, the same verification screen appears, and the loop continues. Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this issue. First, press and hold the power button on your device and restart it normally. Once your device restarts, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon, then go to the Accounts section. After that, tap on the plus symbol icon. Now, you'll see the Create Account option. Tap on it and select for my personal use. Continue and complete all the required steps to create your Gmail account. That's it. Your Gmail account should now be created successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.